Okay, so this is the Ronin factory 50 caliber bullet antenna. This is my second time ordering this. First time I ordered it for 2016 to 2018 Nissan Titan, and it was not the correct one. The antenna had a female fitting, and I'll show you when I get done unscrewing my OEM antenna mast. This one actually has a male fitting. So I messaged them. I bought it on Amazon. I messaged them and they wanted me to send the antenna to California through the post office or whatever, and I'm not doing all that. So I just returned via Amazon the one that was wrong and ordered this one. So I'm gonna try to put it on. So if you guys have a 2019 Nissan Titan, I have the Nissan Titan XD. I don't know if that makes a difference or not. Pro X. This is the part number you need. And just like all my videos, everything that you see, I always put a link in there, because I find it's pretty easy. If it works for me, it might work for you. Maybe you just want to, don't want to do any research, just mash a button and be done with it. But, this guy's supporting veterans, and satisfaction guaranteed, made in the USA, and that's the reason why I wanted to get it. And I was a little disappointed when I got it and it was the wrong one. You know what I mean? I figured 2018, 2019 looks pretty much the same truck to me, but anyway, so I'm sure he'll have that all sorted out and figured out, and I guess I'll take off the OEM one. Let's see, that looks like a That looks like a 7/16 or a 9/32 or 11/32, who knows. I probably ain't got none of those, so we use a crescent wrench. We do it old school. By the way, look at the paint. See the paint? It's that's what do you call it? Turtle wax, spray wax. This is the stuff you want. Look at them beads. You can get that stuff on the shelf at Walmart for $6. I can do this entire truck 3 times with one bottle. Windshield, everything. See it? So, take it for what it's worth. I know some of you guys are probably diehard chemical guys, but I'm not. I used to. I got sick of spending $15, $16, $17 on a little tiny 8 or 10 ounce or 12 ounce bottle, whatever they sell you. But I've always used turtle wax, spray wax since probably 2007. Get you a nice polish on with a machine, a finishing polish if it's a new car. You go over the entire thing, then you spray wax it on top of your good polish job. You use the turtle wax, spray wax, as a sacrificial layer on top of it. Not only that, but it's got carnauba in it. It gives it a nice warm glow. You can't see it because it's raining, but It's got a really nice warm glow when the sun hits it. But, alright, let's do this antenna. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Crescent wrench in hand. And it's loose. See how mine's got a male. A male fitting. Male fitting. Female fitting. 2019. You guys will have to excuse me, I don't have my tripod set up. I'm doing this with my iPhone. One-handed too. Oh, there she is. What a stem. That's a nice piece. Got a nice weight to it. I said something about that Loctite on there. It's like an anti-theft Loctite. I don't know if there's any truth in that, but I don't really care. I just wanted a giant mast gone, which it is now. Hell yeah, that looks cool as hell. Okay, so Ronin factory 50 caliber bullet antenna with anti-theft. Like I said, the anti-theft stuff must be the locking compound. It says it will cure in 24 hours. So we'll see. I got it on good and tight. Couldn't get it no tighter, I don't think. I don't want to break it because it doesn't feel flimsy, but it feels like I could break it. Looks like they give you some nice stickers in there too or something. I don't know. Alright. That's it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe. Please subscribe. Let's test the radio reception with that new shorty antenna. Let's turn that down. Lithium. We need the regular radio. Get my fingers out of the shot here. Using my iPhone because I didn't want to drag that FM right there. Oh man, I ain't got no presets set. Well, 101, that's rock.
It is every bit 1999, 2000 as you
That's
can
in Orlando.
get. I mean, it is so indicative of the
It's
era.
perfect.
It's got a lovely young lady singing Nirvana lyrics, very lustfully.
Yes.
Then there's a
Let's
double
see.
on top.
Becoming more equal, etc.
96.5 is a news channel.
The International Association, where
seen the
in terms
HD
of
light
revenue
up.
generated from men's and women's teams, as it concerns the International Association, women is 131 million. This is according to Forbes from end of March this year. 131 million versus the 6 billion that's generated internationally by men. And
Let's
so,
see, 105.9 is like a 80s whatever channel. That's in Orlando. Okay, so it went mute right here.
because I got an email from YouTube saying that I was in violation of copyright. So the radio and video is mute, and this is me talking to my iMac. So, sorry.
For all radio stations in Daytona, so I think they're HD too. Yeah, HD right there, lit up. Oh, it's switched. Let me turn it down. I don't get no copyright shit. No, it says C on there. It says 1 and 2. So I don't know. You hit this. Oh, that turns it off. Okay, so you must hit. No, turn it off again. What, you gotta hit that little 2? Oh, you just turn the knob. Okay. So what the hell else is on there? See, I listen to that. I ain't getting in that. I don't get into that hip hop shit. Okay, so it works. And Port Orange, as the crow flies, is probably about 60 miles from Orlando. That's where I was all day today, working. Port Orange is on I-95 south of I-4, about 5 miles. And Orlando is, let's see, southwest. Yeah, probably somewhere between 50 and 60 miles. So the Hog radio station is just over on Beachside somewhere. They're pretty close, so. But I figure I would try at least 105.9. I know they're somewhere in Orlando or Cocoa or something. Oh, look at that. It's got 123 lit up on there. What's the other stations? Sports radio? Oh yeah, gotta hit Spanish. But anyway, so that's... I mean, I was worried about the antenna not grabbing some signal. Not that I listened to... I listened to 96.5. They got the talk radio on there, like Brian Kilmeade and Dana Loesch. I like her a lot. She don't hold back. She gives it to him. And Hannity. Listen to him every now and again. Not as much as I used to. But listen to those guys pretty much. And that 101.1. That's a pretty good station.
Because it's every season, 24/7, 365. For all things safety,
That should be HD radio.
major safety experts have the safety solutions and expertise.
I think they only have one channel.
It's only safe and your people safer all year long. Seasons
I don't even know if that bullet antenna has anything to do with that HD radio. Because there's another antenna up on top of the driver's side, up on the roof, kind of like an F-150. I don't know why they just don't put like a BMW antenna on these trucks. You know, a nice shark fin right down the middle in the back, right by the third brake light or something. But anyways, what the hell's that lit up right there? It's got a car with a Wi-Fi thing on it. Oh, what the hell that means? I gotta read about this. I might do a video on this. I did a video on BMWs just because it was so goddamn confusing. I might do a video on this one. I'm gonna do some reading and see if there's anything I can dig into, maybe make somebody's life easier. A lot of people like to just watch a video instead of reading a book. That's a nightlight. Map. Menu. Yeah, maybe I'll do a video on this later on. Alright. That's it. It works. That's all I was worried about. Okay, guys. Have a good one. We'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe if you don't mind. If you like the content. I'm trying to do a video, you know, like 1 or 2 every week on the Titan. I got a couple more in mind that I want to do, and but if you like it, you know, leave a like. All right, we'll see you guys. Have a good one.